In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use artifacts in Claude to generate, view, and manage complex content in a dedicated workspace. To get started, the first thing you need to do is make sure artifacts are turned on in your Claude feature settings. This is important because the dedicated artifact view will only appear if that feature is enabled. If you do not see it working right away, this is the first place to check. Taking a moment to confirm your settings now can save you time and confusion later. Once artifacts are enabled, go ahead and enter a prompt that asks Claude to create something more substantial or structured. This works especially well when you need complex, dedicated output rather than a short reply in the chat. For example, you might ask Claude to write an HTML website, draft a long document, or create an SVG diagram. The key idea is that your prompt should clearly request content that benefits from having its own separate workspace. If your request is detailed and specific, the result is usually easier to review and use. After you submit the prompt, Claude will automatically open a dedicated artifact panel on the right side of the screen. This side panel is where your generated content will appear. Instead of being buried inside a normal chat response, the output is presented in a cleaner, more focused format that is easier to read and interact with. This is especially helpful for longer documents, code, or visual content because it gives you a more organized space to work with the result. From there, you can edit or download the artifact directly from that side window. This makes the workflow much more convenient since you do not need to copy everything out manually just to make changes or save your work. If you are reviewing code, polishing written content, or preparing a file for later use, having those options right inside the artifact panel can make the process much smoother. A helpful tip is to be intentional with your prompt wording so Claude understands that you want a full, self-contained result. The better your request, the more useful the artifact will be when it opens. Also, if the dedicated panel does not appear when expected, double-check that artifacts are still enabled and that your prompt is asking for substantial output. That's the full process. Turn on artifacts and settings, ask Claude for a complex piece of content, let the artifact panel open automatically on the right, and then edit or download your result directly from that window.